Multiverses preview. What?
You know Smash Brothers?
Yeah.
So Warner Brothers is doing the exact same thing with their IPs.
Oh, they bring it all together.
So it's like a fighting game with Batman and Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, it's all their IPs.
What connection is there between Batman and Scooby-Doo?
So this kind of came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, all these different characters, and it looks like it plays like Smash Brothers. What's wrong with your headphones?
So you're fighting each other?
Yeah.
But it's like a one-on-one combat, like Street Fighter style thing.
Yeah.
Except you're jumping more. And there's different levels, and you're jumping around.
Different towers.
Yeah, it's kind of like Smash Brothers. I think there's like 4 players.
Is it getting competitive?
Yeah, I think that's what they want.
Wow. After spending more than 12 hours with an alpha build, consider my attention firmly held. Multiverses is a blast with several unique spins on tried and true platform fighting mechanics, all brought to life by their actual voice actors. It all adds up to a game that, upon first impression, seems primed to become the next big thing in free-to-play gaming. Ooh, free-to-play as well, Will.
Oh, wow.
Free-to-play, and then I'm buying the skins, I'm gambling, all the rest of it. But at least it gets you in the door.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
You are trying. This is a gameplay
is
here.
this it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what it looks like.
It's always a lot more jumping.
Platforming.
Yeah. You're always jumping, aren't you, Will?
Uh-huh.
Which is fine.
Which is fine.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice to see another competitor to Smash Brothers.
So I'm playing this with friends. Is that what I'm doing?
I think so,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good to know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just need to
Well,
know. I
kinda
need to
cool.
know how it all works. And I'm getting it on console. Is that how it's happening?
Well,
I
I mean,
assume
it would
so.
be smart to release it on everything, right?
Yeah.
You giving
but,
them advice right now?
And do like a cross-platform.
This is a long article. I didn't read all of it, but I'm pretty sure.
I recommend you launch it across platforms. PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. That's very
called-
smart of them. Although,
Not Nintendo.
ooh, because you're the Nintendo guy.
Yeah.
I like to.
We're
I like to.
also, they copied Nintendo.
Is that how you got? Is that how you got your nickname? Nintendo.
It's so
normally
so
you're
stupid.
able to
It's so
hold a
stupid.
straight face.
It's so stupid. It's so stupid. It's so stupid.
What did you call me?
Nintendo.
No, yesterday. It was
I might
Gizmo.
stay to this one. This is better than Gizmo. Nintendo. Tell me what you really think, Nintendo.
All right, we can use that one for a while.
Really?
Yeah,
You
go ahead.
agree to that one. You hate all.
I do, but sometimes you just gotta pick one.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's a good one.
Nice. Okay, Nintendo. Whatever you say. You tell me I say Nintendo.